Tremor by Rosa Montero. I actually made some kind of connection to some of the things that I was reasoning about. This phenomenon, mass psychosis, how that might actually be closely related to the psychosis in a more traditional sense, only occurring exclusively on the group level, while not really affecting any other part of your sense of reality, and how this might actually make some sense, because what features do characterize the modern civilized human? I believe fairly high normal level of dopamine in the brain, which is like the fuel or lubrication for the reward system. And what would actually trigger the reward system? What kind of qualities has been favored and selected by evolution? This very greatness of modern humans might be formulated as this ability to work within these superstructures, these great organizations, worldwide networks, and also knowing your place in this network, recognizing those specific levels of functions, telling who is in charge, and knowing the position of, instinctively knowing that the position of each participant, each member of this group. And if something above everything else would trigger this reward system, it should actually be being a part of such glorious, magnificent, complicated movement, all these people heading in the same direction. This, if anything, is what we are constructed for. Not me, really, but you are. This, more than anything, should create this rush of dopamine, making you more happy than anything else, overwriting all other signals, overwriting rational reasoning. And here's another part. To make this all possible, it also requires some hyper-rationality. I mentioned these presets, filtering, perceptive filtering. The typical modern human brain is wired to receive information into neat packages, not this constant perceptive overload, which might be called the curse of the right side dominant brain. And also leaving the interpretations of things to others specialized for doing this, having this privilege of defining what's truth, what's history, what's reality. You should not be bothered by what your senses or your logical reasoning tells you, because this would actually make you less effective if questioning more or less everything you see or people tell you. So having this actual ability not only to accept, really actually believe in the truth that's contradictory to everything that you've been told, everything that you think or that you pick up. The truth is what this person tells you. So all these things together would probably be this situation that more than anything gives you this feeling of belonging, being home, being in your right element, the thing that you are programmed to strive for, which then you might expect will cause this rush of dopamine and be very much attractive because of that.